on it, it says that this is set to budget control and you have enough budget for that. That's great. Alternatively, I can click on a financials menu and do additional checking. I can distribute the amount. If you recall, there was an accounting distribution that you could split this specific line into multiple funds, multiple accounts, divisions, or programs perhaps. Accounting distribution is available here for you. Needless to say, I'm not going to do this right now, but you could see this is general fund for repair and maintenance. This is the main account that has been set up and it's coming from posting definition, and of course department and program. I'm not going to split it, but you have the capability to do that right now. You can submit it and set up something, but there are so many other opportunities there that you can do. I submit this for somebody that is supposed to view this purchase order and approve it. At this stage, as you notice, I cannot edit it further and I cannot change it either because this is still in review. On the Rose Center, I've already selected vendor portal, and on the vendor portal, I can basically act as a vendor. Obviously, when I open up Rose Center for the very first time, it's logging me on as whoever I am. I have the capability to change the user and log on as a different user. Happens that as part of one of my user, I actually have this person acted as a coordinator of the vendor of mine. So they come to the vendor portal. As you see, the top left-hand side shows that this is the vendor portal. Right here, of course, they can have their own Rose Center and they can have their own business intelligence there. But depending on the rights and activities they have, they can actually do additional information. Like if I click on this specific portal, currently there was nothing because nothing was approved for me. So therefore, I'm switching back and forth between applications for you to see how the integration works. I can go to the purchase, and as you see, the confirm button is disabled because it has not been approved yet, has not been reviewed, has not been approved. Now, I can click on an action, take a look at the view history, and as you see, this has been now completed. Maybe the workflow takes a while. I'm not going to take through the entire workflow because we had different sessions in order to show you how different people can integrate. I just want to save some time right now. Assume somebody has already approved this. I acted as Anders, and then somebody else has approved it. When I close it and refresh this, as you see, the confirm button becomes enabled. As soon as I confirm this PO, then this actually becomes a PO that is being appeared on the vendor portal. At the same time, if you notice, these POs will be available. And as you see, as a matter of fact, somebody else has also requested some other services, and for that specific PO, you see that the purchase order has been added. There are two different purchase order number. You can see the purchase order that I just recently created it. Hyperlink allows me to open up this PO, and as a matter of fact, it shows that this is confirmed. As a vendor, I can see that I have a PO number now, and I can take action. I can send my specific technician, and I say, what is it that I can do for you? I have to maintain and repair the road. They asked me to work 8 hours on it. Okay, fine. And we agreed on this unit price, let's say. For the city council, I can perhaps communicate back with the public sector or not, and now I can perform the services. I can go to the vendor invoices, assume I send my technician, the truck driver, whatever, to clean the road. Then I can actually create an invoice directly, if in case I've done additional work. If there's no PO for me yet, in case it's a confirming PO or unplanned purchase order, you can just create an invoice without the PO. Or, as you see, there's a button called From